How to fix Warhammer Vermintide 2 crashing on Steam. First you want to go to the library and then right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now go to installed files and click on this button to verify game files and wait for it to finish checking. Now once this is done, you want to go back to the general tab and add the following command with no spaces, which is -dx11, and then you can close out of this window. Now you will need to update your graphics card driver. So if you have NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install the NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers category or tab. Now from here select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Next you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist, and click on the first link and then scroll down to the second table. Now make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables from these links. Download and install them individually, both of them. And once you finish installing these, you will need to restart your system by clicking the power button and then restart. And after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin. Just right click on Steam and run as admin, and then you can launch the game again, and this should fix the crash issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.